Welcome back to AZE English. I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna.
Today's topic, cultural festivals. Not just fun events, but moments that show culture, identity, and connection.
And the good news, you don't need complex English to talk about them.
Simple words, clear ideas, real confidence. When I was younger, my town had a summer festival. Nothing big, but I still remember it. Lights everywhere, music in the background, people just enjoying the moment.
Yeah, those small details stay with you. For me, it's winter festivals. Cold air, warm drinks, lights in the streets. And that feeling, calm but alive.
That's exactly what learners need. Not perfect English, but the ability to describe a real moment.
Today, we'll show you how to describe a festival and invite someone naturally.
Conversation 1.
Hey, Omar. Do you guys have festivals where you live?
Yeah, we actually have a big one. It's called the Spring Flower Festival.
Oh, nice. What's it like?
It's really colorful. The streets are full of flowers. People decorate everything. There's music, dancing, even small markets.
Sounds fun. What do you usually do there?
I go with my family. We just walk around, take photos, try different food. Nothing complicated.
And at night?
That's the best part. Fireworks. Bright, loud. Everyone just stops and watches.
Do people dress up?
Some do, especially for the dances. But most people just come to enjoy it.
Yeah, I like that.
Same. It's simple, but it feels special. Notice this. Omar didn't use difficult words, but you can see the festival.
That's your goal. Not perfect English. Clear pictures in simple words.
If you're stuck, use this. What do you see? What do people do? Who are you with? That's enough.
Vocabulary from Conversation 1. Decorate. Make something look better.
Festival. A special celebration.
Fireworks. Lights in the night sky.
Food stall. Small place selling food.
Traditional. Connected to culture.
Don't just read these, use them.
Describing is one thing, but real life? You need to make plans. Conversation 2. Hey, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
There's a cultural festival in the city. I was thinking of going.
Oh, yeah? What's there?
A bit of everything. Food, music, different cultures. And live shows on a big stage.
Sounds good already. Do we need tickets?
No, it's free. Just bring money for food.
Even better. What time?
Let's go around 3. Later it gets really crowded.
Good call. Where do we meet?
Main gate. 250?
Perfect. Don't be late.
I won't.
This is real English. Short, natural, no overthinking.
Notice, simple questions, clear answers, confirmation. That's how conversations work.
Vocabulary from Conversation 2. Booth. Small space for selling or showing.
Practice. Souvenir. Something you keep as a memory.
Crowded. Many people.
Live show. Performance in real time.
Main gate. Main entrance.
Try this now. Talk about a festival in your country. Invite someone to go with you. Keep it simple.
Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking.
Tell us in the comments. What festival means something to you?
And try to describe it in simple English.
AZE English. Simple words, real confidence. See you next episode.